Have you ever noticed how many different colors animals come in? From the bright feathers of a parrot to the black and white fur of a panda, the natural world is full of amazing hues and patterns. Let's explore the fascinating colors of some animals. Dogs can be found in shades ranging from just black to pearl white, with lots of browns, grays, and even spotted or brindle coats in between. Cats come in all kinds of cool colors and patterns. Some cats have stripes, like a tabby cat with bright orange fur. Other cats are one solid color, like a sleek black panda. And some cats have a mix of colors, like calico cat with patches of orange, black, and white. There are so many different types of cats, each one unique and special in its own way. These colors not only make our furry friends look adorable, but they also serve important functions like camouflage, temperature regulation, and social communication. Chickens come in a much wider variety of colors. While many people think of the classic yellow chicks, other chickens can have feathers that are white, brown, black, and red. Certain chicken breeds like Rhode Island Reds are known for their stunning sleek colorings, while others like Ameraucanas have a beautiful mix of different hues. No matter what color they are, chickens use their feathers to keep themselves warm and protected.